Welcome to Learning Adda. Let's practice SBI PO Reasoning Ability Previous Year Questions. Reasoning Question 1. Directions 1 to 5. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. 7 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, and G buy different fruits: apple, banana, orange, mango, grapes, kiwi, and papaya, but not necessarily in the same order. Each of them buys different fruit one after the other in the same week starting from Monday to Sunday. Only one person buys fruit between G and the one who buys mango. At most 2 persons buys before G, C buys immediately before G. The one who bought orange buys it 3 persons after the one who buys mango. F buys kiwi 2 persons before D, D doesn't buy orange. As many persons buys fruit before grapes as after the one who buys papaya. C and G doesn't buy grapes and apple. A buys immediately before E. The person who bought banana buys it on which day? Option A, Wednesday. Option B, Tuesday. Option C, Sunday. Option D, Monday. Option E, Saturday. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, Monday. Start with the strongest person links. C is immediately before G, and G has at most 2 people before him, so CG can only be Monday through Tuesday or Tuesday through Wednesday. The Tuesday through Wednesday case forces mango to Monday and orange to Thursday. The remaining places cannot fit both the FT gap and the consecutive AE pair. Therefore, C and G must be on Monday and Tuesday. With G on Tuesday, the 1% gap fixes mango on Thursday. Orange is 3 positions after mango, so orange is on Sunday. F is 2 positions before D. Wednesday through Friday is the only valid placement. Thursday is already mango, and putting D on Sunday would make D buy orange, which is forbidden. Thus F is Wednesday with kiwi, and D is Friday. The remaining people are A, B and E. Since A is immediately before E, they occupy Saturday and Sunday, leaving B on Thursday. Finally, the equal count fruit clue fixes grapes on Saturday and papaya on Tuesday. C and G cannot buy apple, so C gets banana and D gets apple. The completed table therefore shows banana on Monday. Reasoning question 2. The number of persons buy fruit before B is same as the number of persons buy fruit between C and the one who bought blank 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 blank. Option A, papaya. Option B, apple. Option C, mango. Option D, orange. Option E, kiwi. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, apple. B buys mango on Thursday, so 3 people buy before B. C is on Monday, and apple is bought by D on Friday, leaving G, F and B between them. Both counts are 3, so the blank is apple. Reasoning question 3. Who among the following person bought mango? Option A, C. Option B, A. Option C, D. Option D, B. Option E, none of these. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, B. The clues place C banana, G papaya, F kiwi, B mango, D apple, A grapes and E orange from Monday to Sunday. Therefore, B is the person who buys mango. Reasoning question 4. Who among the following buys fruit 2 days after B? Option A, the one who likes grapes. Option B, E. Option C, the one who likes kiwi. Option D, F. Option E, D. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, the one who likes grapes. B buys on Thursday. 2 days after Thursday is Saturday, where A buys grapes. So the person who likes grapes buys fruit 2 days after B. Reasoning question 5. How many persons buy fruit between E and the one who likes papaya? Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. Option D, 1. Option E, 5. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, 4. He buys on Sunday, while papaya is bought by G on Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday lie between them. Therefore, 4 persons buy fruit between E and the papaya buyer. Reasoning question 6. Directions 6 to 8. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. Point N is to the south with respect to point S. Point U is to the north with respect to T. Point T is to the east with respect to point N. Point L is to the west with respect to point S. Point V is to the north with respect to point U. Point K is 6M to the south with respect to point M. Point L is to the west with respect to point V. Point K is to the east with respect to point V. Point Q is 8M to the west of point M and to the north of point V. In which direction is point M with respect to point N? Option A, northwest. Option B, northeast. Option C, southeast. Option D, south. Option E, east. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, northeast. Anchor M first. K is 6 meters south of M. Since K is east of V, place V directly west of K. Q is 8 meters west of M and north of V. So QMKV forms the main rectangle. Now extend the vertical chain below V. V is north of U, and U is north of T. Since T is east of N, place N west of T, N is south of S, so S goes above N. L is west of both S and V, completing the left side of the map. In the completed map, N lies southwest of M. Looking from N towards M therefore gives the northeast direction. Reasoning question 7. What is the shortest distance between point Q and point V? Option A, 7M. Option B, 8M. Option C, 10M. Option D, 6M. Option E, can't be determined. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, 6M. Q and V lie on the same vertical line. Q is level with M, while V is level with K. M is 6 meters north of K. Hence the shortest distance from Q to V is 6 meters. Reasoning question 8. If point E is exactly between point Q and point V, consider shortest distance, then what is direction of point E with respect to point M? Option A, west. Option B, southeast. Option C, southwest. Option D, north. Option E, west. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, southwest. Q and V are vertically 6 meters apart, so the midpoint E lies 3 meters below Q. M is 8 meters east of Q. E is both west and south of M, so E is southwest of M. Reasoning question 9. In the word concierge, how many pairs of the letters have the same number of letters between them, both forward and backward direction, as in the English alphabet? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 4. Option D, 3. Option E, more than 4. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, more than 4. A pair qualifies when its word distance equals its alphabet distance. The 6 matching pairs are ON, NR, CE, CG, letter I and E and EG. Since 6 is more than 4, option E is correct. Reasoning question 10. Directions 10 to 14. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. 10 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, letter I, and J work in a company. Each of them belongs to one of the 3 different departments: finance, marketing, and operations. Each department has at least 3 persons, but not more than 4 persons. A works in the same department as H but doesn't work in marketing. D and F work in different departments. F doesn't work in finance. D and letter I work in the same department but not with H. A and F work in different departments. Letter I and C doesn't work in operations and both of them work in different departments. J works in operations. Not more than 2 persons works with F, B and E work in the same department. E doesn't work in marketing. H and G work in different departments. If D is related to B and in the same way J is related to H, then who among the following is related to G? Option A, letter I. Option B, J. Option C, E. Option D, B. Option E, C. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, C. Begin with the linked people. A and H must stay together outside marketing, while J is fixed in operations. D and letter I also stay together, cannot be with H, and letter I cannot be in operations. Letter I and C must be in different non-operations departments. F cannot be in finance and must be separate from both A and D. These restrictions force F and C into marketing, D and letter I into finance, and A and H alongside J in operations. B and E must stay together, and E is not in marketing. Department capacities place both in finance. H and G must be separate, finance is already full, so G joins F and C in marketing. The final groups are finance, D, letter I, B, E, marketing, F, C, G, operations, A, J, H. Therefore, C is the person related to G. Reasoning question 11. Who among the following work in the marketing department? Option A, D, letter I, B. Option B, C, F, D. Option C, F, G. Option D, F, G, letter I. Option E, G, C, D. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, F, G. The department table places F, C and G together in marketing. Therefore, the complete marketing group is C, F and G. Reasoning question 12. Which of the following combinations is correct? Option A, operations. Option B, D, marketing. Option C, A, finance. Option D, G, finance. Option E, H, operations. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, H, operations. A works with H and cannot be in marketing. The remaining clues force A, J and H into operations. Thus H operations is the correct combination. Reasoning question 13. In which department does G works? Option A, operations. Option B, marketing. Option C, finance. Option D, either marketing or finance. Option E, either operations or finance. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, marketing. The final grouping places G with F and C in marketing. Therefore, G works in the marketing department. Reasoning question 14. Which of the following statements is true? Option A, F and letter I work in the same department. Option B, A and H work in the different departments. Option C, B works in finance department. Option D, G and letter I work in marketing department. Option E, F works in operations department. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, B works in finance department. B and E must work together, and E is not in marketing. The department capacities and remaining clues place both in finance. Therefore, the true statement is that B works in finance. Reasoning question 15. In the number 54924735889, if all the even digits are added by 1 and all the odd digits are subtracted by 1, then all the repeating digits are removed. Now, find the sum of the digits which is second from the right end and first from the left end new number formed after elimination. Option A, 7. Option B, 5. Option C, 8. Option D, 9. Option E, none of these. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, 5. Adding 1 to every even digit and subtracting 1 from every odd digit changes 54924735889 into 458356 to 498. Removing every repeated digit leaves 3629. The first digit is 3 and the second digit from the right is 2. Their sum is 5. Reasoning question 16. Directions 16 to 20. Read the information carefully and answer the questions given below. 14 persons sit in 2 rows. M, N, O, P, Q, R and S sit in row 1 and face north while T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z sit in row 2 and face south but not necessarily in that order. All persons of both rows face each other. V sits 4 to the right of the one who faces O. U is not an immediate neighbor of V and the one who faces M. U does not face M. 2 persons sit between O and R. R sits 4 places away from M. 3 persons sit between S and O. More than 3 persons sit between V and Z. The one who faces Z sits third to the right of P. X sits 3 places away from Z. 1 person sits between U and W who doesn't face O. Y sits 2 places away from W and face Q. Who among the following sits second to the left of the one who sits opposite to Z? Option A, N. Option B, O. Option C, P. Option D, U. Option E, T. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, N. Use the fixed gaps in the not-facing row first. O and R have 2 people between them, S and O have 3, and R is 4 places away from M. Together these clues place S, R, O and M in positions 2, 3, 6 and 7, up to the mirror orientation. The person facing Z is third to the right of P. The remaining clues fix P in position 4 and Z opposite M in position 7. X is 3 places away from Z, so X occupies position 4 in the south-facing row. V is more than 3 places from Z and sits fourth to the right of the person facing O, fixing V in position 2. The UW 1% gap and the YW2 place relation then place Y, W, U and T in positions 1, 3, 5 and 6. Y faces Q, So Q fills north position 1 and takes position 5. The solved rows are Q, S, R, P, N, O, M and Y, V, W, X, U, T, Z. Z faces M, and 2 seats left of M is N. Reasoning question 17. Which of the following pairs sit at extreme ends of the row? Option A, N, M. Option B, O, M. Option C, Z, Q. Option D, Q, O. Option E, Y, N. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, Z, Q. In the solved rows, Q occupies the left end of row 1 and Z occupies the right end of row 2. Therefore, Z and Q are the listed pairs sitting at extreme ends. Reasoning question 18. What is the position of that person who sits opposite to M with respect to W? Option A, fourth to the right. Option B, fourth to the left. Option C, third to the left. Option D, third to the right. Option E, second to the left. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, fourth to the left. The person opposite M is Z. In the south-facing row, left is towards the viewer's right. From W, Z is 4 seats in that left direction, so Z is fourth to the left of W. Reasoning question 19. Who among the following persons sits third to left of N? Option A, R. Option B, M. Option C, P. Option D, S. Option E, none of these. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, S. N sits fifth from the left in the north-facing row Q, S, R, P, N, O, M. Counting 3 seats to N's left reaches S. Reasoning question 20. If O and N interchanged their positions, then who sits opposite to N? Option A, W. Option B, Z. Option C, V. Option D, U. Option E, T. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, T. Originally O faces T and N faces U. After O and N exchange positions, N moves to O's old seat. That seat is opposite T, so T sits opposite N. Reasoning question 21. Directions 21 to 25. Read the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. 10 persons were born on 2 different dates, i.e. 9th and 26th of 5 months with January, February, March, April, and May of the same year, not leap year. 3 persons were born between B and C, who was born in a month having least number of days. 4 persons were born between D and E. D was born just before B. H is just younger than E and was born on the month having even number of days. Number of persons were born between A and H is same as the number of persons were born between A and letter I. More than 3 persons were born between C and G. J was born before F. Who among the following person was born in April? Option A, D. Option B, B. Option C, A. Option D, G. Option E, both D and B. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, both D and B. Treat the 10 date slots as one chronological line from 9th January to 26th May. C must be in February. Combining the B to C for position gap with D immediately before B eliminates 9th February for C, so C is fixed on 26th February. B on 26th April and D on 9th April. There are 4 people between D and E, placing E on 26th January. H is immediately younger than E and must be in a month with an even number of days, so H takes 9th February. A must have the same number of people between it and H as between it and letter I. This fixes A on 26th March and letter I on 9th May. More than 3 people lie between C and G, placing G on 26th May. The remaining slots are 9th January and 9th March. Because J is before F, J takes January and F takes March. The completed table therefore places both D and B in April. Reasoning question 22. Which among the following statements are true? 1. D was born on 9th April 2. He was born on 26th February 3. G was born after D. Option A, both 1 and 2. Option B, only 1. Option C, only 2. Option D, both 1 and 3. Option E, all 1, 2 and 3. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, both 1 and 3. D is on 9th April, so statement 1 is true. E is on 26th January, not February, so statement 2 is false. G is on 26th May, after D, so statement 3 is true. Only statements 1 and 3 are correct. Reasoning question 23. How many persons were born between J and letter I on same date of J? Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, none. Option D, 1. Option E, none of these. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, 3. J and letter I are both in the 9th date column, J in January and letter I in May. H, F and D occupy the 3 9th date positions between them. Therefore, 3 persons were born between J and letter I on the same date. Reasoning question 24. On which date and in which month was G born? Option A, 26th May. Option B, 26th April. Option C, 9th May. Option D, 9th April. Option E, 9th March. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, 26th May. The completed table places G in the final slot, 26th May. Therefore, G was born on 26th May. Reasoning question 25. The number of persons were between J and C is blank 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 then the number of persons were between A and G. Option A, 2 more. Option B, 1 less. Option C, 2 less. Option D, 3 more. Option E, 1 more. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, 1 less. There are 2 persons between J and C in chronological order, while there are 3 persons between A and G. The first count is 1 less than the second. Reasoning question 26. Directions 26 to 30. Read the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. 7 boxes P, Q, R, S, T, U and V are kept one above the other in the form of the stack. Each box has different items: pen, eraser, colors, pencil, scale, marker and highlighter, but not in the same order. Box Q is kept above the box which has marker. As many boxes are kept above box Q as below box R. The box which has marker is kept 3 boxes above the box P. The box which has colors is kept immediately above box R, 4 boxes are kept between box R and the box which has highlighter. The number of boxes kept between the box S and box T is one more than the number of boxes kept between box T and the box which has colors. Box V is kept below the box which has scale but not just below. Box U is kept 3 boxes above the box which has eraser. The box which has pen is kept above the box which has pencil. How many boxes are kept between box U and the box which has pencil? Option A, 2. Option B, more than 4. Option C, 4. Option D, 1. Option E, 3. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, 4. The number of boxes above Q equals the number below R, so Q and R occupy symmetric positions. 4 boxes separate R from the highlighter, and colors is immediately above R. These clues force Q to the top, R to the bottom, highlighter into position 2 and colors into position 6. The marker is 3 positions above P, and Q must be above the marker. The only available fit is marker at position 3 and P at position 6. U is 3 positions above the eraser box. With the occupied positions, U must be position 2 and eraser position 5. Therefore S is the marker box at 3 and T is the eraser box at 5. V is below the scale but not immediately below it, while pen is above pencil. The remaining assignments are Q scale, V pen and R pencil. Thus U is second from the top and the pencil is at the bottom, with 4 boxes between them. Reasoning question 27. Which among the following statement, S, is are not true? 1. Box P is kept above box S2. Odd number of boxes are kept between box Q and box T3. Box Q has scale. Option A, only 1. Option B, only 2. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, both 1 and 3. Option E, both 2 and 3. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, only 1. P is below S, making statement 1 false. Q and T have 3 boxes between them, so statement 2 is true. Q contains scale, so statement 3 is also true. Only statement 1 is not true. Reasoning question 28. Which among the following boxes kept 3 boxes below box Q? Option A, box T. Option B, the box which contains marker. Option C, box R. Option D, box V. Option E, the box which contains highlighter. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, box V. Q is at the top. Counting 3 positions downward gives you first, S second and V third. Therefore, box V is 3 boxes below Q. Reasoning question 29. Which of the following combination is correct? Option A, box R pencil. Option B, box V eraser. Option C, box Q pen. Option D, box P highlighter. Option E, none is correct. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, box R pencil. The final stack pairs Q scale, U highlighter, S marker, V pen, T eraser, P colors and R pencil. Therefore, R pencil is the correct combination. Reasoning question 30. Which among the following box contains pen? Option A, box T. Option B, box Q. Option C, box R. Option D, box way. Option E, none of these. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, box way. The completed box item stack places pen in box way, fourth from the top. Therefore, box way contains the pen. Thanks for learning with us. For more bank exam practice with clear explanations, subscribe to Daily Learning Capsule and share this video with another aspirant.